What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we have a product here from OXILAM Auto Accessories. I'm probably going to butcher the name, but we thank them for sponsoring today's video with this LED light that we're going to swap out for the fogs in this 2008 ISF. So here we have the bulb. It's an H8, H9, H11, H16 equivalent bulb here. And some of the specs here, it is an LED bulb. It's a 6500K color temperature, IP68 rating, 50,000 hours of life. So let's go ahead and get this thing opened up. All right, so this is the LED light Q36 series. Oh, wow, look at that. You even get a pair of gloves. All right, so inside here, we've got a small product manual. We've got installation steps, warranty information, how to install the bulb. A lot of times these bulb installations, they should be pretty straightforward, but it does show you the steps for how to install it, how to get your warranty honored if there's any questions. But as you can see here, for our particular installation here, we are just going to be inserting the harness, clicking it in there. So here's the bulb itself. Nice packaging. This looks pretty good. Oh wow, look at that. Look at the detail. Man, you can appreciate the detail. Look at that. Wow. That's pretty cool. Look at that light. Man, quality build looks pretty good so far. Very excited to see what this is going to look like once it's plugged in. But so far, I am pleased with what I'm seeing right here. Got to keep those circuits cool. Man, look at that. Beautiful. All right, so this is the bulb we're going to be swapping out here. I'm going to leave one of them so we can use it as a comparison. So I'm going to go ahead and get access to this, install it so we can see how it looks. All right, so here's the standard stock bulb that was in there. And here's a comparison of the two of them together side by side. All right, let's get this thing installed and see how it does. All right, so there you have it. You can see the comparison. You can see the nice white LED light there. That color temperature is looking phenomenal. On the right here, you can see this one. You can see from the video here, this one's a little bit more yellowish, a little bit more pale. When we get both of these in, you'll definitely be able to see that this will match more to the color of the HID. So let's go in for a closer look. This right here is a great adder to the vehicle. I definitely can't complain. It looks great. I like it. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The OXILAM H11 bulb swapping out on a 2008 Lexus ISF. Again, look at that right there versus that right there. It looks great. So some of the specs on this LED bulb. It is a direct plug and play design. It definitely only took me 5 minutes to get both of these installed. These lights are 600% brighter than halogen lights, and the path of that light is much wider than the standard light. It's definitely got an efficient cooling system that we see from the fan built in there. It's got a 20-year lifespan on that, and it's got a CAN bus ready design fitting 99% of vehicles out there. So there you have it. The light is looking phenomenal in its application. This doesn't even look good anymore. This right here, that's where it is right there. So we want to thank OXILAM for sponsoring today's video with the Q36 LED lamp. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.